Are you feeling like your wardrobe isn't working for you anymore? You're not so confident, or you're beginning to feel that you're looking old, or maybe you are looking to minimalize your wardrobe, go for a kind of minimalist capsule, or as you've probably seen all over the internet right now, the color systems are coming back in. Everybody's profiling. Does it make any difference? Are you going to look younger? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about today. We've got three wardrobe mistakes that you could be making, or easy solutions to get you out of that rut. So if you are ready for that, let's dive in. Diane and Denmark here. Rah, rah, rah. I am a routines coach. I'm your cheerleader here on YouTube, helping you to simplify this here. And today we're talking about wardrobe. Now, ever since I was a child, I never felt kind of pretty. I always felt, you know, if I was invited to parties and things, I always felt like I was wearing the wrong thing. And as I got older, it just kind of carried on. I never felt kind of confident in my style, and I was always striving I wanted to look polished and put together. And then back in 2018, things kind of shifted for me, and that's what we're talking about today. So if you are looking for some solutions, beginning to feel that the wardrobe isn't serving you any longer, you're just not looking good or feeling good, that's what we can change. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is wearing the wrong colors. Now, I know many of you, you're immediately thinking about, you know, capsule wardrobe. I think we have to get right back to basics here. And at the moment, color analysis is big again. It's funny because I first had my colors done, as they say, back in the 1990s. I'm from Edinburgh. I moved when I was 21 years old to work at the European Supreme Court in Luxembourg. And there was an Irish lady there. She was doing the colour thing. And I've still got my swatches, patches, whatever you call it. It was Colour Me Beautiful. Do you remember that? There's all different colour systems. These are mine. And I was typed as a light spring. And, you know, I kind of used that for a bit. And then I was quite confident in my early days, and then, you know, moved through working, having kids, moving here in Denmark, menopause. I'm now 57. But in 2018, I was trying to put together a kind of minimalist capsule wardrobe, and I came across the Dressing Your Truth system. Now, go and do whatever kind of color analysis that you like. But the reason that I love Dressing Your Truth so much, it's a bit like kind of Myers-Briggs plus color analysis, because it will also show up in your nature, in your personality. These are the different cards for the different types. I am a type 1, and it also goes into what kind of fabrication will look best on you, what jewelry will feel good on you, or less jewelry, more jewelry. And that's been a real, I hate to say the word like journey, but that's been a real journey for me. I've got plenty of videos about Dressing Your Truth, but the main thing is that you actually find out which colour suits you. And in the beginning, I had a lot of negative response to me kind of looking into my colours and things. And of course, I still get negative comments on videos. I got one last time I was making a video about clothes, and somebody said, "Oh, you look ridiculous and you look too young." Or anyway, you take the good with the bad. But I've lost the plot. What I was going to tell you. Oh yeah, I was just going to say that now I really feel like now that I'm wearing the right colours, it's so much easier to get ready every day, and also the amount of makeup that I'm wearing. Because I remember when I first started making videos in 2017, I was wearing a lot of black, and you know, you can get away with that in your 20s, 30s, 40s. After that, you really start seeing the lines and the shadows, and I was wearing a ton of makeup to try and correct that. These days, you know, when I'm on camera, I'll maybe add a bit of extra mascara, take a bit more time with it. But generally, I've just got a wee bit of powder on my nose, bold lipstick, a wee bit of mascara, and I'm good to go. So it's just helped me to really cut down on all the time that I'm getting ready, and I look more youthful. I'm not putting on those layers and layers to cover things up. And if you like wearing a ton of makeup, that's fabulous, but I'm talking about things, I was looking old and I thought it was age, and it was just actually the wrong colours. And the funny thing is, since I discovered the right colours for me, and if you're interested in dressing your truth, I'm not affiliated. There's a free course at dressingyourtruth.com. On my videos, I used to get videos saying, oh, I love your blazer, or I love your earrings, or your lipstick. And since I got into the right colours, people said, wow, you're aging backwards, you look like a breath of fresh air, how do you keep looking so young? So it's funny that people were beginning to see me and not the clothes, and that was really a big thing for me, because I had been kind of tied into that idea of, oh, you know, if people liked my necklace or my blazer, that would be good. But actually, people were seeing me for who I really was. Okay, let's go on to the second mistake that you could be making, and making yourself look older or feel older, is you're maybe trying to build a capsule wardrobe without identifying your style first. Now, we talked about this before in a video at the beginning of the year. I was talking about style words. What is your style? Because if you type onto Pinterest, capsule wardrobe, you'll see all the classic things come up. It's always grey, black, camel. Maybe those colours do work for you, but you will also see they will recommend a blazer, a trench coat, pair of jeans, classic trousers, a nice blouse, blah, 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 blah. But maybe that doesn't suit your lifestyle or your style. Now, in that video, I gave you a list of words. Were you edgy? Were you romantic? Is your style casual? Is it more formal? Is it elegant? And I've changed my style words slightly as we've moved from 2018, from finding Dressing Your Truth. And this year I'm going for minimal, chic and colourful. That's what I'm going for this year. And again, I've got plenty of ideas in previous videos about what is your uniform. Me, I lead a very active lifestyle. I love blazers. I have a lot of blazers. Perhaps you feel best in dresses. I don't have any skirts. I'm always in trousers or dresses during the summer. So it's very, very personal. Okay, the third mistake that you may be making is buying a lot of stuff and thinking more is better. No, again, we really need to go back to trying on things. What about your body shape? Have you looked at that? I mentioned in previous videos that I am gamine shape, gamine style. That's from the David Kibbe. There's different body shapes. And I have a very kind of boyish, athletic body. So I like some feminine touches, but too much of the frilly and the feminine. I always feel like I was kind of, wearing my mum's clothes, so I looked like a little girl. So again, that's what I am addressing. I'm looking at things. I love things with waist definition. I love kind of bigger jewellery. I avoid anything that's too oversized because that kind of swamps me. So again, don't be buying what you see in the shops that everybody else is wearing. Hone in to your body shape. And quite often your wardrobe, your closet will show you what you actually like. Again, at the beginning of the year, we did that trick with the coat hangers. We turned everything around so we could see what we're wearing and what we're not wearing. And that will give you a great idea of, oh, I really like, in my case, blazers. I use them as my completer piece because I'm coaching online or I'm making videos, or even when I'm out with friends. I love blazers. But you will see in your wardrobe what are the things that you are always drawn to, and what are the things that, not going to wear that today, not going to wear that today. So you don't even have to buy anything. Just start doing these small steps, and that's how you're going to be able to build a minimalist capsule wardrobe that will work for you. So do you know what it is maybe making you feel like you're feeling old, Is it because you are trying to wear what you see influencers wearing? And just a little warning, because a lot of the videos that you see or Instagram posts or things on TikTok, the people that are promoting these things, that they've been given the items for free. As I've said many times before, I don't do any sponsored content. A lot of my clothes, I've had them for years. Like today's t-shirt, I've had this since 2018. I get a lot of items from our swap parties. If you want to know more about those, I've got a whole series. So do your research. You don't need to be buying lots of stuff. Hopefully these ideas will kind of help you forward. So let me know, are you building a capsule wardrobe? Have you found your style words? What are your style words? I'll repeat them in the video information and link to the blog post that I did. But anyway, I'm going to get back to playing in my wardrobe. I'm going to look out today's outfit. I put it on the back of the door here. And if you're looking to simplify in 2025, not just your wardrobe, but if you want to get organized at home, have a clean and tidy house, be more productive at work, I hope you will subscribe, leave an emoji, comment, or share my videos with a friend. That helps me. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the wardrobe hygge be with you, and I shall see you very soon with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.